How to fix your brain. It's January 1st. You told yourself this is the year things change. You're going to get fit, build something, and finally go after what you want. So you sit down, open your laptop, and 3 hours later, you've watched 48 YouTube videos and done absolutely nothing. This is the reality for most people. Most people want to get fit. Most won't. Most people want to build a business. Most won't. And the reason isn't laziness. It's that their brain isn't working for them anymore. To build anything worth having, you need one thing above everything else: focus. The ability to lock in on one thing for hours, days, even weeks at a time. Without that, nothing works. So here's how to fix it. Part 1, you're distracted. Focus means putting 100% of your attention on one thing. If you're not doing that, you're splitting your attention, which means you're distracted. And here's the hard truth. We're all losing the ability to focus. We can't do anything anymore without background noise, a second screen, or a phone nearby. You've probably already checked your phone once while watching this. When you do that, without even thinking, you're training your brain to need constant stimulation. You're teaching it that it can't function without distraction. And a brain that can't sit still without stimulation cannot build anything great. The fix starts simple. Put your phone in another room. Leave it there for 24 hours. You'll quickly realize you're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to distraction itself. To break that addiction, try this 30-day exercise. Divide every day into 30-minute blocks, from when you wake up to when you go to sleep. At the end of each block, write down what you did. After 30 days, you'll have a clear picture of where your time is actually going. Then, cut out everything that isn't moving you forward. Simple, but it works. Part 2, you're confused about what you want. Most people don't know what to do with their life. And the reason is even simpler than that. They don't know what they want. When you don't know what you want, you don't know what to do. And when you don't know what to do, but feel like you should be doing something, you end up stuck, confused, overwhelmed, going in circles. This is what's called the anti-zone. It's that place where you want to do something meaningful, but have no idea where to start, so you don't start at all. Most people spend years here. Some spend their whole life here. The way out is to get into the zone. You've probably felt the zone before. It's that state when you're so absorbed in something, a game, a project, a conversation, that the rest of the world disappears. Athletes feel it. Entrepreneurs feel it. Researchers have actually found it's the single happiest mental state a person can be in. The zone isn't magical. It's just deep focus on something that matters to you, with clear progress being made. To get there, do this. Sit down and honestly ask yourself where you want to go. Don't overthink it. Don't complicate it. Just think until you have a real answer. Then, figure out the steps to get there and take one step every day. That's it. That's the zone. Clear goal, clear steps, daily action. Part 3, your diet is holding you back. Your body is a system. It takes inputs, food, sleep, water, and produces outputs, energy, focus, performance. You already know this. Sleep 2 hours and you'll feel terrible the next day. Everyone knows that. But somehow we ignore our diet like it doesn't matter. It matters enormously. Have you ever opened a book, read 2 sentences, and immediately forgotten what you just read? That's often a diet problem. Bad food leads to brain fog, low energy, and poor concentration. You can have the best plan in the world, but if the vehicle is broken, you're not going anywhere. So before you worry about goals and systems and habits, fix what you're putting into your body. Eat real food, sleep properly, drink water. Give yourself good inputs, and the outputs, the focus, the energy, the clarity will follow far more easily. 3 things. That's all it takes to start. Stop feeding distraction. Find your direction. Fix your inputs. Do those 3 things and you'll be surprised how much your mind can actually do. I'm really grateful for the support I have got so far for this channel. Subscribe and like if you got something out of the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.